there's angels, there's stuff in the link in the bottom. Yeah, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, just find Rick Matthews at 41. And that's where you find me. So I'm going to put on something real quick. So here we go. Hang on. There's them. Yes, after EVS to watch them. Do you think I would quit them for you guys? Heck no, I wouldn't quit anything. I'd quit nothing. Guess it's when South challenge. Oh no! Crap! That was nothing.
Sad because the loser at the end of the video has to eat from the mystery bucket. What is that? Mystery bucket. I don't know what's in the mystery bucket. The mystery bucket of doom.
Woo!
Dun dun dun. Let's go. Sound one. Is that it? Replay it. I know I'm gonna get this one wrong, but I'm gonna take
Here's creepy sounds, weird sounds.
Hungry dinosaur. I said dragon. Dragon! Well, it sounds like, like the dragon in Shrek is like sleeping, like. True. What is it? It is a monster! Dang it, we both did fantasy, kind of not really you, but I did fantasy. Man! No fair. No points this round. Monster. Rats. On to the next round. I knew it was a beast of some sort. Ready? Yes, I'm sweaty. Sweaty means feel ready. Okay, your next sound. Next sound. Yum! Five. We're right! It's a tie! Points for me. Points for me. You don't know what that is? Oh, I don't know exactly what. I'm guessing. Dark Park. Like, I thought it was birds going. Birds? It is lemurs fighting. That's basically the same thing as a dog park, right? Yeah, because you see lemurs fighting every day at the dog park.